This is an introductory video to how to edit a simulation. Open SimsUshare Platinum and select the Edit button. You'll see a list of all your simulations. If you have simulations that fall off the bottom, you can click and drag to reach the simulations below. When I want to edit a simulation, I click on it. You'll see all these buttons light up. I can edit it, I can clone the simulation, I can delete it, and I can even reorder the simulation for the convenience of when you're playing. When I click on the simulation edit, I can double click or I can press the edit button and my simulation's loaded. The title will tell me which simulation I am editing. The plus button will be for adding smoke, fire, and other elements. The play button will be for testing the simulation. And this circular we call selection rotator is for helping you to select which element you want to edit. So you'll notice here as I cycle through, it's going through each of the elements that are on the screen, and when I want to edit, when I get to the element that I want to edit, I just click on it on the screen. Now you're in the edit element mode, and it will tell you here editing elements. It'll give you the name of that element, and the buttons will tell you what operations you can perform. Right now in this mode I can make it bigger or smaller, I can rotate it, or I can select the pencil tool here, which will then allow me to edit particular characteristics, brightness, opacity, color, anything that I'd like over here. If I would like to get rid of temporarily the other elements so I can see this one clearly, I can press hide other elements and those become invisible temporarily as I can adjust the specific element. When I'm done editing this element, I can hit the done button. Now when no element is selected, I can go up. If I wanted to change the background, I could select the menu, click either adjust background photo to rotate or size the background, change the background photo completely, or if I wanted to hide the selection rotator. This menu over here with the map marker is for creating a new location or a view. So I can see here it'll let me create a new location, a new slide, rename the current one, set the navigation, and do some other operations which we're going to see. In another video we're going to make a walk around so you'll see how to actually use the navigation and the location menu to create a simulation with several views. For example, when I'm done editing the simulation, I can go here to this high-rise Idaho Falls, and in this simulation I can see in the menu I have many sides, Alpha Bravo S1, Alpha Bravo S2. In this menu here I can click and drag to edit whichever location that I'd like. So currently, if we look right now here, it says editing Alpha Bravo S1 and the simulation is high-rise. If I want to edit Alpha Bravo S2, I click on S2. And now I'm editing a different one. If I wanted to edit Bravo S1, I click on that. So that shows you a very basic way of being able to edit simulations, and as we'll get to in another video, creating walkarounds where you have multiple slides and multiple pictures.